All right, I am at the Stax Museum in Memphis, of like music history kind of thing. I'm not really into music history, but this is pretty well done. I am here for this bad boy. I came here specifically because they got the Isaac Hayes Shaft Cadillac. Oh no, they got music playing. That's terrible. I'm gonna have to try to talk over it. Look at that bad boy. This was almost worth the trip. Look at that. Look at that perfection. Oh man. Alright, I'm glad I came here. That's spinning awfully fast. Look at that vinyl inlay on the door, the giant badges. Look at this, man. Wow. You can see where they've, on the edges, they've rubbed off the gold plating from where it's been handled. Check out that gold visor. That's pretty dope. Yeah, you see on the corners here, the gold plating's rubbing off. Wow. I forget what the name of the coach builder was that customized this car. I want to say they were out of like New Jersey, if I remember. Look at that. Man, I love that. I really like this vinyl top. It's got just a little texture to it, and there's like 2 or 3 colors in it. Just a little, not a lot, just a little. And then, of course, the interior is pretty sweet. They can't really get a great shot of the interior. It's got kind of like a mini bar looking thing going on. Got the old school TV down there. Wow. That is so awesome. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. That's why I came here, basically. I didn't really come here for anything else because I really don't honestly care all that much about the rest of it. That's just me personally. I'm sure if you're into music, I'm sure this is a fantastic place to go. There's all kinds of memorabilia and stuff in here. That's a good looking old jukebox. I like that. That's pretty cool. Oh, this place is tiny. This is a really, really tiny museum. And then we got the gift shop here. Let's see anything. Any must-haves? Anyway, you get the gist of it. That was the main point of the stop.